Hello guys, in today's video we are going to add screen lock on Motorola Moto G52. Let's go. So what we need to do is go to here to settings, then we scroll, and then we have security and privacy, because you may think that passwords and accounts, but it's to Google accounts, yes. But security and privacy, you click here, set screen lock, and you select. I think that the pattern and pin is the best one, because pattern is, it's easy, it's fun. Let's select it. Okay, pattern is selected. Okay, done. We can check. No, I don't want to add Google account. As you can see, the pattern lock will work. Ah, beautiful. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye. Now you know how to set a screen lock.